This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Kenny Meyer. Move-in ready. This cozy 2-bed 1.5 bath home, updated in 2017 with an open floor plan, welcomes all who enter. The front porch gives it inviting curb appeal, while the large back lot boasts a deck perfect for outdoor gatherings. Both bathrooms have updated vanities, flooring, toilets, and tub. The kitchen has new cabinets with hardware, countertops, sink, faucet, backsplash and flooring. Refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer all come with the home. All new paint on ceilings, doors, trim and walls. Lighting has all been replaced. New front and back door. Full unfinished basement for added storage. All new HVAC system in 2019. All furniture is negotiable with sale. For more information